Hey there, ready to unlock the full power of Google services on your Meetboard 4? With Google ELDA certification, you get top security, seamless access, a productive experience, and the ability to easily keep your apps updated. Today, I'll show you how simple it is to use Google services on the Meetboard 4, your one-stop solution for accessing Google Workspace and downloading apps from Google Play. Let's dive in. On your Meetboard 4 home screen, you'll see the Google search bar and Google Services folder that includes all the essentials: Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Google Drive, and more. Also, there's a Google Play Store icon, which gives you quick access to download new apps or update existing ones, all under the security and reliability of Google ELDA certification. For your first use, you'll need to log in with a Google account. You can set up a unified account across all Meetboards for easy management or assign separate accounts to each Meetboard based on your needs. Alternatively, you can use your own existing Google account, allowing you to access and share your files easily from Google Drive or any other Google service. Once logged in, you'll have full access to Google services like Google Drive for file storage and sharing, Gmail for communication, and Google Docs for real-time collaboration. Here's how it works. Meetboard 4 makes it effortless to collaborate with your team or manage your files just like you would on any other device. Now let's explore the Google Play Store. Simply tap the Play Store icon to browse or search for the apps you need. For instance, let's download Microsoft Teams. Once the app is installed, you could open it directly from your home screen and start using it right away for team meetings and collaboration. And that's how easy it is to use Google services on your Meetboard 4. Whether you're downloading apps like Microsoft Teams or accessing Google Workspace, the Meetboard 4 offers a secure, smooth, and productive experience thanks to its Google ELDA certification. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Meetboard 4.